Why most companies fail at MIS reporting? Let me say this clearly. If your company still prepares MIS reporting using Excel and PDF files, your problem is not productivity. Your problem is data reliability. And sooner or later, management will stop trusting the numbers. I'm not here to teach Python. I'm here to show you why most reporting systems silently fail, even in companies that think they are data driven. If you have ever updated Excel sheets at night, copied numbers from PDF file manually, rebuild the same report every month, faced questions like why does this number not match with the last week, then this video is for you. And here's what usually happens in real companies. Data come from various sources, like multiple Excel files, vendors may generate PDFs, different formats every month. Someone downloads those files, someone cleans them manually, someone updates the formulas for those files, someone emails the reports. Management sees only the numbers, but and nobody can confidently explain where it is coming from. This is not MIS. This is controlled chaos. Let's talk about the cost, not salary cost. Manual MIS reporting system creates single point of failure. Knowledge trapped in one person's laptop, zero audit trails, high dependency risk. If that person leaves, the system collapses. If the file breaks, nobody knows why. Management doesn't complain immediately. They quietly lost trust. That's the most dangerous failure. In such a kind of situations, most of the teams think we just need better Excel skills. But that is not the solution. Excel is not the problem. PDFs are not the problem. Python is not the solution. The real problem is this. You don't have a reporting system. You have a reporting habit. Habit doesn't scale, but system does. In this playlist, we will build a real automated MIS reporting system, not dashboards for demos. A system that ingests Excel and PDF reports automatically, cleans and normalizes the business data, stores it in a structured SQL tables, produces consistent MIS outputs, runs without human dependency. This is how reporting works in companies. Here is an important warning for you guys. This is not for Python beginners, people looking for quick scripts, copy paste learners. This is for professionals responsible for reports, people tired of manual reconciliations, engineers who want to business credibility. If you stay, expect trade offs, failures, reconstraints, decision explained, not hidden. If you are still beginner, so we have another playlist for Python beginners. Go for it and then come back to this one. Why this series is different? Most YouTube videos teach how to read Excel using Python, but this series answers how does a company trust its numbers? That difference is everything. Start fixing the reports and start owning a report system. Watch this playlist from the beginning. In the next video, I'll show you the complete system architecture before we write a single line of code.